po sa amin ni Besa. Happy birthday sa kamukha ni Kiana. Happy birthday, Lolo Arnold.
Daddy, happy birthday! Ingat po palagi. Salamat po sa pag-aalaga kay Sarina at Kiana. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolo Arnold! Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Enjoy your day.
Konti-inom lang ha.
Hello, Tito Arnold. Happy 60th birthday po. I wish you good health, more blessings, and more blessed years ahead. Enjoy your day.
Kuya Arnold, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best, more birthday to come, and good health. And enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yay! Happy birthday, bro! Enjoy!
Happy 60th birthday, Yayo Lo. Ingatan mo lagi ang health mo and galingan mong mag-alaga kay baby Kiana. We miss you, we love you, take care. Happy birthday! Bye.
Happy birthday, Arnold anak. Love you.